How to know if someone is online on Google Meet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you an easy way on knowing who is on our Google Meet meeting. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can head over to your Google Meeting first, whichever meeting you want, either you're the participant or anything. So once you are there, you should be finding different options in the bottom. So when you go ahead at the right side of your screen, you should also be finding an option called people here. So you just need to go ahead and tap on it, and under this contributor section, you should be finding all of the people who have joined the meeting. So that list tells you they are online on the meeting. So you just need to go ahead and look out on this section, and when you go over there, you should be finding the people who are online during this meeting. So that is how you find it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and thumbs up, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.